Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the TEAMGROUP 128 gig little memory card here, and I got this for my little camera that I have. And so I'm going to show you guys what this looks like and stuff, and we'll just show you. So it looks like each one, even though I just wanted the little micro SD card, they each come with the little converter for it, which is kind of cool if you need to take it out and connect it to something. Hopefully I'll just be able to connect to it remotely, so I won't need to, but I'll show you guys how it works. So you see you have the little chip, and then it would fit into there. So you can do that. And then I think this little switch here makes it, if you pivot this way, it makes it so you can't, so it's read only, and then that's read write. But for me, you don't have that ability on just the tiny little chip itself. So that I'm just gonna stick it into my camera, and hopefully it will start to work. And there it is. So fits. So seems good. 128 gigs, that's a lot of space. So pick up one of these if you need it. It's a TEAMGROUP. Seems good.